How to make all photos on Facebook private. Hi guys, so in this video I will teach you how to make all photos on Facebook private. So if you want to learn how it's done, just watch this video until the very end, which is pretty quick and simple, so let's go. So in order to do this, let's head over to Facebook right here and then click on the three lines right here that will proceed us to our menu. So let's click on it and you can see my menu right here. So what you need to do is just click on this gear icon right here or scroll down until you can see settings and privacy and click on settings. It depends what you want to, but I will choose to click on this gear icon because it is easier. Then after you're here, you can see this search icon right here. So let's click on that and let's search for audience and visibility. So you can see here the audience and visibility. So just click on that. And from in there, you can see this post right here. So click on post and click on this who can see your future posts and set it to only me. Then after that, click on this limit, you can see past posts and click on limit right here and click on limit past posts again, and as you can see the audience change has completed. Next thing you need to do is to just click on this profile I'm tagging right here and just set all of this into only me. So I will set this into only me right here, so just do it in everything that you have right here. So as you can see, I have already changed it, and now once I'm done with that, let's head over again to my profile. As you can see, I'm on my menu, so I just need to click on my name right here in order to proceed to my profile. So as you can see right now, I have posts right here, but if I want to try to see if I already made all of my Facebook photos private, I just need to click on the three dots up here, and then after that click on view as. And as you can see, there's no more posts that available to everyone that it will stalk my profile. So that's the whole process. I hope this video helped you to make all photos on Facebook private. If you have questions or comments, kindly put in the comment section below, and if not, do not forget to subscribe and like. Thanks!